To me, spiritual isn't about adhering to a specific dogma or set of rules. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with myself, others, and the universe. It's about finding meaning and the purpose in life, embracing compassion, and striving for personal growth. It continues journey of self-discovery and evolution. My spiritual journey has profoundly shaped my identity. It's frustrated a sense of self-acceptance and helped me embrace my imperfections. The emphasis of mindfulness and self-reflections has allowed me to understand my strength and weakness better, leading to greater self-awareness. This journey has also instilled a deep sense of empathy and compassion for others, shaping my interactions and relationships. At this part, I would insert a picture of peaceful nature, seen perhaps a sunset over a mountain range or a calm ocean. This image represents my spirituality because it embodies the serenity, vastness, and interconnectedness I feel when I connected with nature. The quiet power of sunset symbolizes the potential for inner peace and growth, while the expansive landscape represents the boundless nature of the universe and my place within it. The purpose of life, after all, is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience. By Eleanor Roosevelt.